Thank you for joining me today at 2cutebeads.com. This is our newest kit. It is a duster set of earrings, which are really popular for summertime. They're super lightweight. They're done in 14 karat gold and 0.925 sterling silver, and it's really easy, really quick. Take you just a few minutes to put these together. I've already done one. I'm going to put the matching one together right now. We're going to start with our eye pin. We're just going to open that up, that loop up. We're going to load our longer bar on here. These are so simple. We're going to close that. We're going to add our 3mm bicone. This is new and exclusive to us, which is our rondelle, 4mm rondelle with the pyramid cut, which gives it a lot of sparkle. We're loving this bead. Another 3mm bicone. Now I want to start my wrap in the same direction. So I'm going to hold this even. I'm going to come up. I'm going to bend back towards me, away from me. Take my tube up. I'm going to bring this under. I'm going to stop right there. And I am going to add my other. This one has 2 holes in it, so I'm going to add this one on. Make sure everything lines up good. I'm going to grab it from the side here. And again, like I've told you in my other videos, this is my second pair of fingers because I cannot wrap as tight with my finger. And I want these to swing. So I'm going to grab this and I'm going to bring it around one time, nice and tight. Everything's lined up nicely. I'm going to cut off my extra wire here. There we go. Take my CZ ear wire. With my bent nose. Okay, this one, the cut doesn't seem to want to open all the way, so all you have to do if that happens is just that they didn't cut it all the way. Just with the end of your nippers, just give it a little cut there. Open. There's no wrong or right way with this. Just load that on. Close it up nice and tight. Voila, it is complete. And we have a set of our CZ Duster earrings, 2-toned. Thanks for joining us at 2cutebeads.com.